Welcome. In this video, we're going to learn how to perform hexadecimal addition. So we have two examples that we're going to use to illustrate this technique. So let us start with the one in white. So we have 8a b base 16 plus b7 8 base 16. So we are going to have this vertically. So we have 8a b, and then we have b 7 8, and then we want to add these two. So we're going to have the clean copy on the left and the rough work on the right. So the first step is to take b plus 8. So before we go to that, let us list. We know that hexadecimal numbers start from 1 through 9, and then from there you start A, B, C, D, E, and F. So it is important to denote what these letters stand for. So A stands for 10, B stands for 11, C stands for 12, D stands for 13, E stands for 14, and F is 15. So let us have those in mind as we go about this. So the first step is to take 8, B plus 8. So yes, right there, you have B plus 8. So B is 11. So it's like you have 11 plus 8, and that will give you 19. So this 19, you change it to hexadecimal by dividing it by the base 16. So you'll find that 16 goes into 19 one times, and then there's a remainder of 3. So you come and write 3 and carry 1. So you write 3 there, and then you take 1 as a carry. So in the next step, you take the carry, that is 1, plus now A plus 7. That is the same as taking 1 plus A, and according to this, A represents 10. Now plus 7, that is going to be 1 plus 10 plus 7 is 18. Then again, you divide this by the base 16. So you find that 16 goes into 18 once, and then there's a remainder of 2. Again, you write 2 and take the 1 as a carry, so that in the next step, you have the carry, which is 1 plus 8 plus b. So it's like you have 1 plus 8 plus b, and b stands for 11. So if you look at that, you're going to get 20. Again, you divide 20 by the base. So that is 16 goes into 20 once, and then there's a remainder of 4. So again, you come and write the 4, but this time, because there is no any other value to the left, so you just take 1, 4 as the last one, so that your answer for the first one is 1, 4, 2, 3, base 16, and that is the answer for first example. So we can look at the second example, that is D. Let us just write it here. We have D as C2 plus BDA, BDA, and we are adding them. So let us go ahead and perform that addition. So the first one is we have 2 plus A. That is interpreted as 2. A is 10, so it means we have 12. And 12 is less than 16. So we just read it directly as C. So in this case, that will be interpreted as C. We come and write the C there. Then in the next step, we have C plus D. So C is 12 and D is 13. So 13 plus 12 is 25. This is more than 16. So we divide it by the base. It goes into 25 once, and then there's a remainder of 9. So you come and write 9 and have that 1 as a carry, so that in the next step you have 1 plus D plus B. This is interpreted as 1 plus 13, this is 13, and B is 11. So you add the two, you get 25. Again, you divide 25 by the base, and you get that 16 goes into 25 once, and then there's a remainder of 9. So you have 1, 9. So because there's no any other number to the left, you just write 1, 9 the way it is, so that your answer is 1, 9, 9C base 16. So that is the answer for the second example.